Do you want a smartwatch that's both stylish and packed with features? The Amazfit GTS 4 has it all, including a sleek and lightweight design, automatic workout detection, heart rate monitoring, and a vibrant AMO LED display. And with a long-lasting battery, you won't have to constantly charge it. But that's not all. The GTS 4 also comes with a GPS and GLONASS support, making it perfect for tracking outdoor activities. Looking for a smartwatch that's both stylish and packed with fitness features? The Amazfit GTS 4 might be the one for you. In this video, we will review the GTS 4 and evaluate its performance, features, and value for money. Stay tuned to find out if it's the right fit for your active lifestyle. The Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch has a sleek and lightweight design with a comfortable 42mm chassis and a weight of only 27g. This means that the watch is easy to wear and won't weigh you down, even if you wear it for an extended period of time. The watch's lightweight design is also suitable for a variety of activities, such as workouts or outdoor adventures. The watch is available in multiple color options, including infinite black, misty white, autumn brown, and rosebud pink. This means that you can choose the color that best suits your personal style and preferences. The GTS 4's design is one of its standout features, and is sure to be appreciated by anyone who wants a stylish and comfortable smartwatch. The GTS 4 also comes with a range of fitness features that are sure to be appreciated by anyone who is interested in tracking their fitness and health. The watch has an automatic workout detection, which means that you can automatically detect when you start exercising and track your activity. It also has heart rate monitoring, so you can track your heart rate during workouts and see how your heart is responding to different activities. The GTS 4 is a feature-packed smartwatch that is sure to be appreciated by anyone who wants a convenient and reliable way to track their fitness and health. The Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch has a vibrant 1.7-inch AMO LED display with a resolution of 390 x 450 pixels and a pixel density of 341 ppi. This means that the watch has a sharp and clear display that is easy to read, even under bright sunlight. The AMO LED technology used in the display ensures that the colors are vivid and vibrant, making it a pleasure to use. The watch's display also has a good touch response and smooth scrolling, thanks to its physical crown and haptic feedback. You can easily navigate through the watch's user interface and access all of the features with ease. In summary, the GTS 4's display is one of its shining features, and is sure to be appreciated by anyone who wants a high-quality smartwatch experience. For the people that are still watching, here's a little fun rhyme. If you want a watch that's both smart and cool, the Amazfit GTS 4 is the perfect tool. With features galore, it's sure to please, so don't be bored, take it for a spin with ease. Stay tuned to find out if it's right for you, and don't forget to like the video too. Tell me in the comments what you think about the rhyme, and also what you think about the Amazfit GTS 4. I appreciate it a lot. Anyway, let's get right back on topic. The Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch has a long-lasting battery life that can provide up to 14 days of usage on a single charge. This means that you won't have to worry about constantly charging the watch and can enjoy all of its features without interruptions. The watch's battery life may vary depending on how you use it, but even with heavy usage, you can expect to get several days of usage on a single charge. This is a significant improvement over many of other smartwatches on the market, which often require daily charging. The GTS 4's long-lasting battery is one of its standout features, and is sure to be appreciated by anyone who wants a reliable and convenient smartwatch. The Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch comes with a companion app that's not only clean and intuitive, but packed with features to help you track your fitness and customize your watch. With the ZEP app, you can choose from a variety of watch faces, set fitness goals, and track your progress. Plus, you can manage your notifications and control the settings of your Amazfit GTS 4 right from the app. It's a perfect way to make the most out of your smartwatch. The Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch has GPS and GLONASS support for tracking outdoor activities, making it a great option for users who want to track their outdoor workouts. With GPS and GLONASS support, the watch can accurately track your location and movements, providing detailed information about your outdoor activities. This information can be useful for tracking progress and improving performance. Plus, the watch's long-lasting battery means you won't have to worry about running out of power while you're out and about. Overall, the Amazfit GTS 4 is a great option for tracking your outdoor workouts. The Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch is designed to be water resistant with a 5 ATM rating that allows it to be submerged up to 50 meters of water for 10 minutes. This makes it a great option for users who want to wear their smartwatch while swimming or showering. The water-resistant designs means you can wear the watch without worrying about damaging it, even when you're in the water. The Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch is a customizable powerhouse with a wide range of watch faces and strap options to choose from. The watch comes with a variety of watch faces, including digital and analog styles, and users can download additional watch faces from the Zepp app. Plus, the watch uses standard 20mm straps that can be easily switched to third-party straps, allowing users to personalize the look of their watch. In short, the Amazfit GTS 4 offers endless possibilities for customization, so you can make your smartwatch truly your own. The Amazfit GTS 4 is equipped with a range of sensors that allow users to track their health and fitness levels with greater accuracy and precision. In addition to the standard heart rate monitor and accelerometer, the watch also includes a blood oxygen monitor and an electrogram monitor. The ECG monitor in particular is a rare feature on the smartwatch in this price range, and it allows users to monitor their heart health on a daily basis. This is a valuable feature for fitness enthusiasts and those looking to improve their overall health and well-being. One of the great things about the Amazfit GTS 4 is its price. Despite being packed with features and offering advanced health and fitness tracking capabilities, the watch is available on Amazon for just $200. That makes it an affordable option for those who are looking to upgrade to a smartwatch without breaking the bank. With its long-lasting battery, water-resistant design, and a range of sport modes, the Amazfit GTS 4 offers excellent value for the money, and it is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality smartwatch at an affordable price. In conclusion, the Amazfit GTS 4 is a great value for money option for those looking for a feature-packed smartwatch with a long-lasting battery. Its 1.75 AMO LED display is sharp, clear, and vibrant, and the watch's user interface is smooth and responsive. The range of sensors, including a blood oxygen monitor and an ECG monitor, make it a valuable tool for tracking health and fitness, and the GPS and GLaNOS support make it perfect for outdoor activities. With a water-resistant design and a range of sport modes, the Amazfit GTS 4 is a versatile smartwatch that is sure to appeal to a wide range of users. Its affordable price makes it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade to a smartwatch without breaking the bank. Overall, the Amazfit GTS 4 is a great option for anyone looking for a high-quality smartwatch at an affordable price. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching!